Know the whole operation, been bug the bitch. I'm still fly, just back the white guy. Bitchy like guy, and I still eat Thai. Want the nigga cheap.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing this summery glow, like bronzy makeup tutorial, and very easy. Just very easy. And if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay, take 3. Alright, so I've been alright. Okay, I'm sorry, I haven't done a sit down talk to you guys in my in my beauty room. It's been crazy lately. Anyway, I just did my eyebrows off camera just to kind of like save a little bit time, and then I put this oil. This is from The Ordinary. This is the organic cold press moroccan or argan oil. Yeah, so what I was saying earlier is that my skin, it's been, oh my goodness, what is that? It's been weird lately. Like, you know, I'm normally oily skin, but now it's just like I'm dry skin, which is very weird. So alright, long story short, not long story short, but anyway, enough of me talking. I'm gonna put this Dr. Brant luminizer primer. It'll look like that, and then look like this. And hold on, let me just put this in my, yeah, I've been busy lately, you guys. That's why I haven't like done a sit down get ready with me, or like a film like a, when was the last time I filmed like a, I think when was no, when I was filming that Wet and Wild one brand makeup tutorial. This was like the last sit down talk, and then I went to Philippines. And yeah, so anyways, let me just put this primer all over my face. Anyway, we have a lot to catch up, you guys. I went, like I said, we went to Philippines. Let me see, it was like last February, like the 27th. That was like our flight, and then we stayed there for like the whole, I think 3.5 weeks, I believe. And it was fun. It was so like it's fun. And yeah, I get to see my family, my, you know, my others, my friends, and yeah. So all right, and I what's that called, like, what I learned about it is just like, for example, if you're going out of the country, if you're going like, you know, like vacation wise, for example, you're going to a hot country like, you know, for Philippines, make sure just to bring like, you know, what you need for like makeup wise. Make sure don't bring a lot, just like make sure you just bring like, you know, the one that you need, because it's, especially in the Philippines, I bought like 4 foundation and I didn't even, you know, use it. I've been using same foundation every day, which is like, I think that was the Fenty, and then the what's the other one, the Ordinary foundation. Anyway, yeah, because thank God I bought, I brought the 2 foundation, because it helps a lot, especially I have oily skin, and you know, I need a matte foundation, and I need my skin to be like set and mattify, because I don't want to be like oily and everything. But anyway, all right, enough for that. I'm gonna put this foundation on. Let me just use this foundation brush, and this is the Kat Von D Lock It foundation, and then I am in the shade medium 58 warm. I haven't used this foundation, and this has been my favorite before, and this is full coverage, like coverage, baby. So I'm just gonna put this foundation on my face like that. Okay. And do not be afraid if your foundation is way darker than your neck or whatever that, because we're gonna brighten it up with a concealer. But yeah, Alright, so after that we're gonna use for concealer, we're gonna use this Tarte Shape Tape, my all-time favorite, and I'm in the shade Light Medium Honey. Just gonna put this under eye just to brighten it up. And for this cream contouring, we're gonna cream contour. We're gonna use this LA Pro Concealer in a shade Almond, and I'm just gonna put these in my forehead. So I'm gonna get this on my nose. Use this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator, and I think this is in the shade Golden. Set our face, and I'm gonna be using this hold on, I'm gonna use this Kat Von D contour palette, Shade and Light, and then we're gonna use this this crown brush and just sit under. So still gonna use the same palette, and then I'm gonna take the one right here. Just dust off the excess. And now I'll be using this pure cheek palette, this is a pure bronze and brightening palette. So it comes with blush, highlighter, and like a bronzer. That's how it looks like. I hadn't used this before, and I'm so excited to use this, especially this bronzer. It's very glowy, and okay, this brush right here. This is from FX Cosmetics, and just And then for blush, I will be using the same palette in the pure, this one right here, and this is the shade Blushing Glow. The other one is Mineral Glow. So I guess this middle one, the highlighter, is Afterglow. So just take this brush. Fenty Beauty highlight in the shade Trophy one. Yeah. Bro, what is my other highlighting brush? You know what? Okay, hold on. So I'm gonna use this one. That beautiful color right there. I don't want to put like lashes right now, or in this look, because I just want it more like kind of like bronzy, glowy, like easy, look. So I was just gonna set this face using this Badescu facial water in lavender. I don't know, I'm debating with this two glosses, and this one is the Exposed, and this one is Cherry Pie. I don't know which one is gonna be. So we're just gonna put lip liner, this is Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Mary Jo lip liner. Oops. Alright, so to finish up this look, I'm gonna use this Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Just gonna shake it. There we go. And like that. Alright. And that's it. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys like it as much as I did. Please do not please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon.
Up the bitch, she was stuck up so my nigga stuck up the bitch. Still dragging her so don't pick up the bitch. Hit the combination to the safe, drug the bitch. Know the whole operation, been bug the bitch.